Hello everybody, this is my new pump action shotgun. It can shoot about around 10 bullets in one shot out by just going like that, like a few times or whatever. The clip holds 20 to 30 bullets. It's a $30 gun. I suggest that you buy it, except for it leaves like fairly bad welds. It like breaks the skin and you will bleed quite a bit or whatever. And those are my bullets. It comes with a speed loader, and hold on 1 second. And that's see those BBs right there? Now just watch here. Just the force of this thing will literally knock the BBs out. See? So, yes, it's a pretty powerful gun. That's what it goes in. They don't go all throughout it, but it holds 20 bullets. And yeah, I'd say it's just a just plain simple gun, and it's pretty sturdy, it's slightly heavy, and it won't break down on you. Alright, see ya. Now, I don't know if you can see, but it literally goes through the plastic. Hold on 1 more second. It like breaks it, so it's pretty powerful. Okay, bye.